Alright guys, so I have officially just finished the Samurai build. The end there, I did kind of do a bunch of stuff without showing you guys. For example, I installed this front bumper, new lights, new end cover caps. It's pretty straightforward. There's four 12 millimeter bolts on each side, and then I actually just sheet metal screwed the caps in. On the inside, the other thing I didn't really film was just putting the seats back in. This seat's pretty sweet because it has the lift, and this lift bar is on both sides so the driver can actually let someone in the back. And I cleaned the seats as best I could, and I installed an old Jeep seat I had. It actually fit right in here. It's about 35 inches wide. So if you guys are looking to do this, look for an old CJ5 Jeep seat. But that's in there, and I had to rewire all the speakers for the radio, and I found out VHB doesn't stick to truck bed liner. It doesn't stick to the truck bed liner very well, so my wire routing, I sheathed it, but it's nothing crazy. But put this new radio in. It's 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link below. It's pretty good, Bluetooth. Alright, I put a new mirror on the back there, and then I put these new side panels in. I got these on eBay, but they're like paper thin. See, I've already ripped it and had to re-glue it. Same with that side. I mean, they look great, but I literally, like, my keys caught on that and it ripped. So that's unfortunate. I think it was like 35 bucks, but the old ones were really destroyed, so it's a minor improvement. I am going to 3D print some drain plugs here, and I'll show you guys the CAD model, but it's basically gonna stand off like an 1/8 inch with some slots so the water can drain. Yeah, because we did remove the carpet in here, and it's a little bit louder with the carpet removed, but I think it looks way nicer. Oh, I forgot I put this top on. Well, I just put the back seat on in there, nothing crazy. But yeah, have you seen the rest? We painted everything, undercoated, did the air filter, oil change, fuel filter, spark plugs. We did everything. The only thing I still want to do is the well, there's two things. One is I want to adjust the valves, and I bought a new valve cover gasket. I'll put a link for that. It's a cork one. I'd love to do that, and I think what we're going to do is give this back to my buddy so he can enjoy it until it gets too cold. I mean, you could still drive this thing in the cold, but yeah, I've got another project coming right up. It's a Tacoma that we're gonna put off-road bumpers on and stuff. Let me see, it's like 2 a.m. Yeah, so I've spent like the past 3 nights on this, and I am happy to kind of see it go. I love this thing, but want my buddy to enjoy it. So I'm gonna leave the series off here. This is the Suzuki Samurai, and it is not the last time we'll be seeing it. We have a phase 2 for this, which involves some lift kit action, bigger tires. That's when I'll really mess with the motor and probably change all the gear fluids again. I did them like 2 years ago and decided to just leave them for this build, but yeah, it's a beautiful machine, not even rusty. And that's it, guys. If you like this series, please give me a thumbs up, and definitely hit that subscribe button. I got a lot more projects coming this way, and I really appreciate you guys watching, and talk to you later.